Welcome to Machilipatnam, a city on the southeastern coast of India, where the ebb and flow of the tides mirror the passage of centuries. Join us as we journey to this remarkable port city, once a bustling hub of global trade and now a guardian of ancient traditions. Along the sun-drenched coast of Andhra Pradesh, Machilipatnam awaits, ready to reveal its secrets.
Here on the Coromandel coast, the echoes of history resonate as strongly as the crashing waves. Machilipatnam, known in ages past as Machilipatnam, bears the indelible mark of its colonial past. In the 17th century, this harbour became a magnet for European traders drawn by the allure of textiles and spices. The Dutch established a formidable presence here in 1605. Their influence is still visible today in the architectural bones of the city. The French seized control in 1686, leaving their own distinct imprint. In 1759, the British wrested control from the French, ushering in a new era. The old fort, weathered by time, stands as a silent sentinel, its crumbling ramparts whispering tales of sieges and battles. Today, as we stand on these ramparts, gazing out over the Bay of Bengal, we are reminded that the past lives on in the stories we tell. The very air here seems to vibrate with the energy of countless souls who have walked these streets before us.
Leaving behind the echoes of history, we venture to where the land meets the sea, where the whispers of the past are carried away by the gentle breeze. Machilipatnam's coastline, a delicate ribbon of golden sand fringed by swaying palms, offers sanctuary to both the soul and the senses. The rhythmic sound of the waves creates a symphony that soothes the mind and spirit. Manjinapudi Beach, a haven of tranquility, stretches before us, its sands caressed by the gentle surf. Here, time seems to stand still, allowing us to reconnect with nature and ourselves. Further down the coast, Hamsaladevi Beach beckons with its own unique charm. The serene waters and pristine sands invite us to pause and reflect. The beach, named for its resemblance to a swan, is a sanctuary for migratory birds. These feathered visitors add a touch of magic to the landscape, reminding us of the interconnectedness of all life. As we stroll along the shore, we are reminded of the delicate balance of nature. Each step we take is a reminder of the beauty and fragility of our environment. Nestled amidst a grove of casuarina trees, Datashram stands as a testament to the enduring power of faith. The temple's serene surroundings offer a perfect setting for contemplation and prayer. This ancient pilgrimage site, dedicated to Lord Shiva and Lord Dattatreya, draws devotees seeking solace and spiritual renewal. The air is thick with the scent of incense and the sound of chanting. Ancient temples, their weathered stones adorned with intricate carvings, stand as silent witnesses to centuries of devotion. Each carving tells a story, a piece of history etched in stone. For those seeking respite from city life, Machilipatnam's coastline offers a welcome escape. The tranquil beaches provide a perfect backdrop for relaxation and rejuvenation. Whether you seek solitude on a deserted beach or spiritual solace in an ancient temple, this coastal haven has something to offer. The blend of natural beauty and spiritual heritage creates a unique experience. From the serene beaches to the sacred temples, Machilipatnam's natural wonders offer a glimpse into the soul of this enchanting region. Each visit leaves an indelible mark on our hearts. The memories we create here will stay with us long after we have left these shores. The serene beauty and spiritual depth of Machilipatnam will continue to inspire and uplift us.
Chapter 3: A Tapestry of Tradition, the Art and Flavors of Machilipatnam. Beyond its historical and natural wonders, Machilipatnam reveals itself as a city steeped in artistic tradition and culinary delights. The vibrant streets and bustling markets are a testament to the city's rich cultural tapestry. At the heart of Machilipatnam's artistic heritage lies kalamkari, a traditional textile art form that dates back centuries. This art form is not just a craft but a living tradition that has been passed down through generations. Derived from the Persian words kalam, pen, and kari, craft, kalamkari involves the intricate hand-painting or block printing of designs onto fabric using natural dyes. The process is meticulous and requires a high level of skill and patience. We visit a workshop where artisans bring this ancient art form to life. Here, the air is filled with the scent of natural dyes and the rhythmic sounds of hand-carving blocks. Using hand-carved blocks and dyes derived from plants and minerals, they create intricate patterns and vibrant colors on lengths of cotton or silk. Each step in the process is a labor of love and dedication. Each piece is a testament to the enduring legacy of kalamkari. The finished textiles are not just beautiful, but also tell a story of cultural heritage and artistic excellence. The designs, often inspired by Hindu mythology, nature, and courtly life, tell stories without words. They are a visual narrative that captures the essence of Indian culture and tradition. The city is also renowned for its culinary delights, a symphony of flavors that reflect the region's rich agricultural bounty and culinary traditions. The local markets are a feast for the senses, offering a variety of fresh produce and traditional dishes. No visit to Machilipatnam would be complete without savoring its signature sweet treat, the Bandar Ladu. This delicacy is a perfect blend of sweetness and texture, making it a favorite among locals and visitors alike. For those who prefer savory flavors, Bandar Biryani, a flavorful rice dish named after the city's former name, is a must-try. This dish is a culinary masterpiece that combines aromatic spices with tender meat and rice. In Machilipatnam, every bite tells a story, a delicious narrative passed down through generations. The communal meals and shared experiences around food are a reflection of the city's warm and hospitable culture.
Chapter 4. A Climate of Contrasts, Machilipatnam's Rhythms of Nature. Life in Machilipatnam, as in all coastal cities, is inextricably linked to the rhythms of nature. The ebb and flow of the tides, the changing seasons, and the unpredictable weather patterns all play a crucial role in shaping the daily lives of its inhabitants. The city experiences a tropical, wet and dry climate, a cycle of sun-drenched days and monsoon-swept skies. This duality creates a unique environment where the landscape is constantly evolving. From April to June, the sun reigns supreme, casting its golden rays upon the land. The intense heat during these months can be both a blessing and a challenge for the people. The air hangs heavy with humidity, and temperatures soar. The sweltering heat can be oppressive, yet it is a time when the city basks in the brilliance of the sun. Yet, life goes on, adapting to the heat as it has for centuries. The people have developed ways to cope, finding solace in the shade and cool drinks. But as the monsoon season approaches, the mood of the city begins to shift. The anticipation of rain brings a sense of relief and renewal. Dark clouds gather on the horizon, heralding the arrival of the life-giving monsoon. The first drops of rain are met with joy and celebration. Torrents of rain lash the coast, transforming the landscape into a shimmering emerald canvas. The parched earth drinks deeply, and the city comes alive with vibrant greenery. Streets turn into rivers, and the air is filled with the roar of thunder and the insistent drumming of raindrops. The monsoon is both a spectacle and a challenge. Located on the Bay of Bengal, the city is vulnerable to the fury of cyclones. These powerful storms can bring devastation, testing the resilience of the community. When these storms make landfall, they bring with them the potential for widespread destruction. Homes and infrastructure can be severely damaged, and recovery can take time. Yet, the people of Machilipatnam have learned to live with this ever-present threat, their resilience forged over generations. They rebuild, stronger and more determined each time. As we witness the ebb and flow of the seasons in Machilipatnam, we gain a deeper appreciation for the resilience of the human spirit. The city's ability to adapt and thrive amidst nature's contrasts is a testament to the enduring strength of its people.
Chapter 5. A Traveler's Guide. When to experience the magic of Machilipatnam. For those captivated by the allure of Machilipatnam, the question arises, when is the best time to embark on a journey to this coastal gem? For those seeking respite from the heat and humidity, the cooler months from October to February offer the most pleasant conditions for exploration. The air is cool and crisp, the skies a brilliant blue, and the sun, though still potent, is tempered by a gentle breeze. This is the ideal time to wander through the city's historic streets, explore its ancient temples, and relax on its pristine beaches. During these months, the city comes alive with festivals and celebrations. Diwali, the festival of lights, illuminates the night sky with fireworks and diyas. Pongal, the harvest festival, is a time for thanksgiving and merriment. However, even during the hotter months from March to May, Machilipatnam has its own unique charm. The monsoon season, from June to September, brings with it its own allure. The rains transform the landscape into a lush, emerald paradise. Ultimately, the best time to visit Machilipatnam is whenever your heart calls you.
As our journey through Machilipatnam draws to a close, we are left with a profound sense of wonder and appreciation for this coastal gem. From its storied past to its vibrant present, Machilipatnam has revealed itself as a city of contrasts. Thank you for joining us on this adventure. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel for more captivating journeys. Until next time, may your travels be filled with wonder and discovery.